Secrets to maintain strong bones. Welcome to my channel. We are so glad to have you here. My name is Jean Kanitsky. I am a behaviorist and have worked in the mental health field for over 20 years. In this video, I will reveal 5 secrets to preserving bone health. These strategies are grounded in scientific research and practical advice, nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle adjustments. As we age, maintaining strong bones becomes increasingly important to ensure a high quality of life and independence. After age 50, bones tend to become more susceptible to loss of density and strength, which could lead to It's possible to protect your bone health, reduce the risk of fractures, and maintain an active lifestyle by incorporating these elements on a daily basis. Muscle strengthening and weight-bearing exercises. Muscle strengthening exercises, known as resistance training, are very important for bone health. This includes using resistance bands, lifting weights, or performing bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats help build muscle mass and bone strength. These exercises apply stress to the bones, which encourages the formation of new bone tissue. Engaging in muscle strengthening exercises 2 days a week is recommended to support bone density and overall physical health. If possible, engaging a personal trainer to develop a personalized fitness plan is crucial to prevent injury and maximize benefits. Exercise is crucial in maintaining bone density and strength, especially muscle strengthening and weight-bearing exercises, which force the body to work against gravity, stimulating bone formation and slowing the natural bone loss that occurs with age. Some examples include walking, stair climbing, hiking, which benefits the bones and also improve cardiovascular health. Adopting these exercises can make a significant difference in maintaining bone health. Engaging in regular strength training exercise is a powerful way to combat bone density loss. You can start with light exercises, and gradually increasing intensity can make a significant difference in bone health. It is advisable to integrate a mix of cardiovascular, strength, and flexibility exercises into weekly routines. Quit smoking and limit alcohol. Alcohol and smoking have a profound impact on bone health. Excessive alcohol intake can interfere with the body's ability to absorb calcium, leading to decreased bone density and increased risk of fractures. Moderation is key. Limiting alcohol to moderate levels can help preserve bone strength and overall health. Smoking is another significant risk factor for bone health. It impairs calcium absorption, reduces blood flow to the bones, and increases the risk of osteoporosis and bone fractures. Quitting smoking is one of the most effective measures to protect bone health. Enough vitamin D. Sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D, and getting adequate sun exposure can help maintain the required levels of this essential nutrient. However, it's important to balance sun exposure with skin cancer risk. Spending 10 to 15 minutes in the sun several times a week can be sufficient for vitamin D synthesis without increasing skin cancer risk. Vitamin D supplements can be an effective alternative. Consulting with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage is important, as vitamin D needs can vary based on age, geographic location, and individual health conditions. Bone density monitoring. Regular monitoring of bone density is a proactive measure to maintain strong bones. Bone density tests such as DEXA scans provide valuable information about bone health and the risk of osteoporosis. These tests can help detect early signs of bone loss, allowing for timely intervention through lifestyle changes or medication. Understanding the results and following through with recommended actions is vital. Whether it involves adjusting dietary habits, modifying exercise routines, or starting medication, each step contributes to preserving bone health. Early detection and intervention can significantly impact the ability to maintain strong bones and prevent fractures in later years. Maintaining strong bones requires a comprehensive approach that includes dietary changes, regular physical activity, lifestyle adjustments, and monitoring bone health. By prioritizing calcium-rich foods, incorporating strength training and weight-bearing exercises, limiting alcohol consumption and quitting smoking, ensuring adequate vitamin D through sun exposure or supplements, and monitoring bone density, individuals can significantly improve their bone health. Taking proactive steps towards bone health is crucial for a vibrant and active life.